Hello, my dear student. Today I want to share a small topic that is Thevenin's theorem. I am Bhupen Deshmukh, work as an assistant professor in Kekewa College of Engineering, Nasik. Contents: statement of Thevenin's theorem, small explanation about Thevenin's theorem, one practice problem of Thevenin's theorem. Learning objective. After going through this video, you will be able to understand about Thevenin's theorem. Exactly after this video, you will be understand about the statement of Thevenin's theorem, or if you have any given electrical network, how to apply Thevenin's theorem in that network. Or we can say कि if you have any electrical network and that electrical network to find the current by using Thevenin's theorem, so how to apply the Thevenin's theorem you will be better understand after watching this video. Statement of Thevenin's theorem. Any linear active bilateral circuit containing several voltage and current source and resistance can be replaced by just one single voltage in series with single resistance connected across the load is known as Thevenin's theorem statement. This Thevenin's theorem statement, in a simple language, we can say कि any network, that network has some active and passive elements. That network can be replaced in a single voltage source with series resistance across the load terminal. Across the load terminal is known as Thevenin's theorem, or this is the actual statement of Thevenin's theorem. Explanation with the help of one practice problem. Find current through AB terminal by Thevenin's theorem. According to statement of Thevenin's theorem, this is the linear active bilateral network. This linear active bilateral network can be replaced by a single voltage source with series of resistance across this load terminal AB. Right here, load resistance is 40 ohm. Whenever we are applying the Thevenin's theorem, to follow some step number 1, identify the load branch. Note, load branch is always given. Step 2, find Thevenin's equivalent resistance. For finding equivalent resistance, all independent voltage source short circuited, all independent current source open circuited, load branch remove, and across the load terminal find equivalent resistance. Here 10 volt voltage source is an independent voltage source that is short circuited, and here 20 volt voltage source is also independent voltage source that is also short circuited, and no current source are available in the given network, and load branch is removed. The 40 ohm resistance is behave like 40 ohm resistance is load resistance are removed. Now find the equivalent resistance across AB terminal. 10 ohm resistance and 20 ohm resistance are connected in parallel. When solving the 10 and 20 ohm resistance, then we get equivalent resistance 6.66 ohm. Step 3, find Thevenin's voltage. For finding Thevenin's voltage, all independent voltage and current source are as it is in the given network. All passive element as it is except load branch remove, and across the load terminal find Thevenin's voltage. This Thevenin's voltage, also called open circuit voltage, For the finding of Thevenin's voltage or open circuit voltage, we can apply Kirchhoff's voltage law and as well as Kirchhoff's current law. That Kirchhoff's voltage law is also called mesh analysis and Kirchhoff's current law is also called as nodal analysis. For finding Thevenin's voltage, here I am applying mesh analysis to find the current I flowing this circuit. For finding of this current I is equals to V by R. Here the voltage V is difference between 20 volt voltage and 10 volt voltage, and total resistance is series of 10 ohm resistance and 20 ohm resistance. Then we get I is equals to 0.33 ampere. These current 0.33 ampere flowing 10 ohm resistance and as well as 20 ohm resistance. Now our aim to find the voltage at point A. For the finding of voltage at point A, or we can say AB, VAB is equals to 20 minus of 20 into 0.33 ampere current. It means we can say for the finding of this voltage or this voltage A, if you are considering this voltage B is a ground voltage, then this voltage is behave like a rising voltage and this 20 ohm voltage drop is behave like a dropping voltage. The rising voltage minus dropping voltage, then we get voltage across AB terminal 13.33 volt. This voltage is called open circuit voltage or Thevenin's voltage. Step 4. To draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit diagram according to statement of Thevenin's theorem. We know that according to statement of Thevenin's theorem, any linear active bilateral network can be replaced by single voltage source series with resistance across the load terminal. Here we can obtain the Thevenin's voltage and Thevenin's resistance. This Thevenin's voltage and Thevenin's resistance are connected in series according to statement across the load terminal of 40 ohm resistance. Now I want to find the load current IL. The IL is equals to V upon R, where V is Thevenin's voltage and R is voltage. This R is Thevenin's resistance plus of load resistance. Then we get I is equals to 0.286 ampere. This is the current flowing through load resistance, or we can say current flowing through AB terminal. Thank you. If you have any doubt related to Thevenin's theorem, please comment on my YouTube channel. Again,